let's talk about image processing. This is something that happens a lot, and a lot of companies process images or videos. What do I mean? Well, Instagram here, for example, you may have used this service. What you do is you upload your pictures and Instagram displays it to all of your friends. But if I click on one of these pictures here, this image isn't actually the image that I uploaded to Instagram, because the image that I uploaded to Instagram was very large. It was probably around 5 megabytes. What Instagram does is it processes this image. Maybe it adds some cool filters for me to make it look nice, but it also crops this image and makes it small. So it's only a couple of hundred of kilobytes. Now, why would they do this? They do this because A, they make pictures look nicer, but also to save themselves a bit of money. If they uploaded all the pictures that they have from all their users, and each picture was a couple of megabytes, that's a lot of storage space for them to have to hold on to these pictures, because each of these pictures are on their servers. So they save a lot of money by compressing these images. The same thing happens on Udemy as well. You may have watched a course on something like Udemy and thought, man, these videos are a little bit blurry. I wish they were a little clearer. Well, Udemy does the same thing. They host all of these videos. And if they hosted the original version of the videos, such as the ones that I record, in the full format, well, that's going to cost them a lot of money. So they're able to save money by compressing these videos so that they're smaller versions, but also help out other students that maybe might watch these videos, then don't have a good internet connection to watch them in HD. So this is a very common problem. So we're going to learn all about that. Now, what are we going to use? The key thing is that internet is your friend. As a Python developer, you should be able to find these libraries by just doing a simple Google search, such as image processing Python. And we see over here a bunch of resources, like 10 Python image manipulation tools, or things like OpenCV, which we'll talk about. But I'll save you the hassle and tell you what we're going to use. We're going to use something called Pillow, which is a pretty standard library to use with Python when manipulating images. What we're going to do is actually install this Pillow library. And there's a couple of warnings here that we're going to get to in the next video. But ideally, all you're going to do is, well, you can just pip install Pillow. So let's do that. I have a folder here and a project that we're going to be working on, so ignore the right side here. But in here, all I'm going to do is say pip, and I want to make sure I'm using pip3. Again, this is something we've talked about. It's up to you. Make sure that we're using the latest version of pip. And then say install Pillow. And in my case, it's already installed. For you, it may take a little bit longer to install this package. Now, in the next video, I'm going to talk a little bit about this warning, which actually leads us to a key developer fundamental. So I'll see you in that one.